Hi, this is Jason Fielder with the Daily Forex Report for May 18th. We are looking at the US-Japanese yen pair. This particular pair gapped down on the open yesterday, did move higher to close higher. Overall, we're moving sideways, biased to sideways. We did form an overextended bar, but we'll get into that in just a minute. We are expecting this particular pair to move potentially as high as 97.18, possibly as low as 93.77. Look for some resistance around 96.67 and look for some support around 95.79. Switching to the Euro USD pair, this particular pair moved higher and closed higher. Overall, we're still moving sideways, biased to sideways as well. We are looking for this pair to move potentially as high as 136.67, possibly as low as 133.14. Look for some resistance around 136.41 and look for some support around 134.00. Now, switching to the pound US dollar pair, this pair moved much higher, basically came right up to previous resistance and stopped to close for the day and has pulled back so far. We are looking for this pair though to potentially go as high as 154.80, possibly as low as 149.78. Look for some resistance around 154.50 and look for some support around 152.67. Now, switching to the US Swiss, this particular pair moved lower during this session. We are looking for this pair to potentially go as high as 113.59 and possibly as low as 110.55. Look for some resistance at around 112.50 and look for some support around 110.95 in this particular pair. Now, we have the pound releasing their CPI report for April at 4:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Consensus is that for the month of April, things have moved lower from 2.9% to 2.4%. Year to date, it's showing a decline as well from 1.7% down to 1.6%. The Japanese yen has their gross domestic product annualized for the first quarter at 7:50 p.m. Eastern Time. Consensus is things have moved lower from negative 12.1% to negative 16.1%. Now, what am I looking at during this next session? Well, we had a lot of overextended bars, US Japanese yen, the Australian US dollar, the Euro Japanese yen, the Euro Australian dollar, the pound Japanese yen, and the Australian Japanese yen. So a lot of overextended bars. Basically looking to buy at the 96.50 level, which we're almost there. Looking to move higher. Looking for a stop loss at the 96.09 level and looking to take profit at the 97.25 level. Basically what that looks like, we have a buy where we are currently. We're looking to tag this particular low, looking to run into some resistance at that point, taking this low for our stop loss, which will actually be a little bit lower than where the market's already been today in this pair. The nice thing about this is we have our stop loss is 41 pips and our take profit is 75. So we're not quite double, but it's definitely getting there. With the overextended bar, the odds of this continuing higher are much greater than normal. Well, that about does it for today. Until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.